How to share location on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can share location on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to share your location on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your WhatsApp application here. And once you launch your WhatsApp app, you will see this type of interface. Select a person to whom you want to share or send your live location, and then after that you can just tap the little pin like icon from the bottom right of the screen here, and once you've done that you'll be able to find the option called location. Now you can just go ahead and then basically enable GPS on your device, then come back and then you can simply select share live location option here, tap the continue option and just hit the send option in order to send this person your live location. This way you'll be able to send your live location on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.